It's the kitchen, you know, the monster kitchen that ain't had nothing but walls to the ceiling. I mean, ain't had nothing but damn studs and rafters and shit. A little light. Oh, that's a reflection off this faucet. See the light come through that wall? Don't be so damn mad. Yeah, I got this little baby sealed up. Last little pieces and we out of there. Yeah, put all of that in there too, y'all know. This bitch ain't had nothing. 2 dead ass windows. It was a dead ass kitchen, burnt down. We brought it back to life. With the grace of God. Put cement down in the basement eventually. And you got this room, pantry room. We brought this one to life too. Hit twice due to did. Burnt down. But hey, that's what we're here for.